Imagine pouring something down the toilet every day that could help your crops grow healthier and greener. What if I told you that this God-given, free natural resource is rich in nutrients that plants need? With commercial chemical fertilizer prices breaking bank accounts around the world, smart farmers are looking for alternative organic solutions. And one of the most powerful, fast-acting fertilizers on earth is completely free. Yes, we are talking about the human urine. A lot of you may find this idea surprising or gross, but farmers in different parts of the world have used urine fertilizer for centuries. In today's video, we will explore the science behind urine fertilizer, its benefits, safety, and whether it can really replace some commercial fertilizers. Stay with me because some of the facts may surprise you. Welcome to Chijane Agritech, where we explore techniques and technologies in agriculture. If you are new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Please like this video, feel free to share and subscribe. Plants need nutrients to grow. The three major nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These are the same nutrients found in many commercial fertilizers. Human urine naturally contains all three. Nitrogen helps plants produce green leaves. Phosphorus supports root development, and potassium improves overall plant health and fruit production. This is why your urine is often called a natural liquid fertilizer. When we eat food, our bodies absorb what we need. The excess nutrients are removed through urine. Instead of treating those nutrients as waste, they can be returned to the soil where plants can use them again. This creates a natural nutrient cycle. Now let's talk about the benefits of using urine as fertilizer. Number one, it is free. Commercial fertilizers can be expensive, but urine is produced every day at no cost. We all urinate every day. I don't think there is anyone who can go a whole day, like 24 hours, without urinating. I don't know if there is, but it is free and we do it every day. For smallholder farmers, this can help reduce input costs. Number two, nutrients are readily available. Plants can quickly absorb many nutrients found in urine. This means crops can respond relatively fast after application. Number three, it reduces waste. Using urine as fertilizer recycles nutrients instead of flushing them away, like we do in our toilets. Number four, it is environmentally friendly. It can reduce our dependence on synthetic fertilizers and help conserve resources. Now to the big question, is human urine safe? This is the question most people ask. Fresh urine from a healthy person is generally low in disease-causing organisms compared to human feces. However, proper handling is still important. Urine should be collected hygienically and used responsibly. Storage and correct application methods can further improve safety. Many crops respond well to nitrogen-rich fertilizers. However, it is best used on heavy feeders. These are plants that crave nitrogen to build structural growth. Examples include maize, spinach, amaranth, cabbage, lettuce, banana, and fruit trees. However, the application method may differ depending on the crop. Now, here are the common myths associated with using urine as fertilizer. Number one, they say urine kills plants. The truth is that undiluted urine can sometimes burn plants because it is concentrated. Proper dilution is what helps prevent this. Number two, People consider urine as useless. You just urinate and then you pour it away. But numerous studies have shown that urine contains valuable nutrients for crops. Number 3, they say plants grown with urine are unsafe to eat. But the truth is that risk can be minimized significantly when we use it correctly and responsibly. Human urine contains valuable nutrients that plants need. It is free, widely available, and has been used in agriculture for generations. However, proper handling and applications are important. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to collect, dilute, store, and apply urine safely for maximum crop growth. So for now, prepare your minds to start storing and using your urine as fertilizer. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.